हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शाहिद है और मैं आपका इस वीडियो में स्वागत करता हूँ। इसके साथ ही मैं इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता हूँ कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज देयर आर 11 सब्सक्राइबर ऑन अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एंड आई एम हैप्पी फॉर इट बिकॉज दोज 11 पीपल आर genuine, new, and they are the people I do not know them and they have connected with me on YouTube channel, so I'm happy for that. और इसके साथ आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इट्स वेरी ट्रैजिक प्ले एंड वी विल डिस्कस डेथ ऑफ ए सेल्समैन 1947 बाय आर्थर मिलर. So without wasting a single second or any time, let's begin the video Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller. First, we will begin this answer with a critical quotation. Arthur Miller's play captured the disillusionment, the emptiness and ambivalence of individual American in the 20th century. जो हमारी फर्स्ट क्रिटिकल quotation है, it is just a critical quotation and not of any author. इट इज़ अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है ये अबाउट द ऑथर के बारे में है. आर्थर मिलर 1915-2005 was an American playwright and essayist. He was associated with literary movement, theater of absurd. His famous works include Crucible, A View from the Bridge and All My Sins. Miller is a master of the drama of American family. इसे हम और ऐड कर सकते हैं. अब जो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है इट इज़ अबाउट द वर्क. डेथ ऑफ ए सेल्समैन 1947, इट इज़ अ पब्लिकेशन डेट, इज़ ए 2-act प्ले बाय आर्थर मिलर. इट इज़ ए ट्रेजेडी दैट एक्सप्लोर्स द थीम्स ऑफ अमेरिकन ड्रीम, फैमिली रिलेशनशिप, shattered dream and deceit. It tells the story of an aging salesman named Willie Loman. He struggles with job, family, capitalist economy, and ultimately leads to tragic downfall. And we are adding one more critical quotation here. Death of a Salesman is a work of tremendous power that raises question about American values and nature of success. The play deals with social issue of the day. He is a victim of the society. It was American society that forwarded the idea all men are created equal and they have rights including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Society at that time was publicizing materialistic value. Both Willie and Biff were failure because of capitalist system. और ये हमारा नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है. Willie is a victim of American dream. The first is Ben, Willie's brother, who went into the jungle and came out rich. The second figure is Dave Singleman, who built his fortune with toil. Willie rendered 34 years valuable service to Wagner Company, but when he asked his boss Howard for a non-traveling job, he is fired. Now this is another quotation. The play is a tragedy of a common man, a tragedy of everyday struggle that we all face in our lives. With society and materialism, the play delves into the emotional bond between the members of family. Biff and Happy have a difficult relationship with their father. He often borrows monetary help from neighbor Charlie, where relationship between Linda and Willie is supportive. Linda says, and Linda supports despite his mental instability. I don't say he is a great man. He is a human being and he is not to be allowed to fall into his grave like an old dog. Critics believe that Willie's tragic fall shows Marxist favor and depicts capitalist system of society. Arthur Miller displays his support of Marxism by showing how capitalism fails due to economic imbalance. His psychological delirium, illusion, and daydreaming of Ben supports an anti or against materialistic society. Willy Loman says in a symbolic language, "A man is not an orange. You cannot eat the fruit and throw the peel away." अब इसमें जो बिफ एंड हैप्पी है, दे आर सन। ये जो विली है इसके 2 बेटे हैं और लिंडा ये उसकी वाइफ है। एंड जो आप यहाँ पे चार्ले देख पा रहे हैं ये इनका नेबर है। अब हम नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ पे मूव कर रहे हैं। द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ सोसाइटल प्रेशर leads Willie to commit suicide. His suicide is a symbol of failure of American dream and the capitalist society that he lives in. According to the critic, Willy Loman chased a dream that was never his own. He sacrificed his happiness, his family for a false promise that he could never fulfill. जितने भी हमारे ड्रीम्स होते हैं, क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि ये ड्रीम्स हमारे ही हैं या फिर ये ड्रीम्स हमें किसी ने दे दिए हैं? Is there any kind of conditioning? Is there any kind of forced repetition of information to the mind, जिसे हम ड्रीम्स कहते हैं? सो यहाँ पे ये चीज़ जो इट इज़ अ वेरी फिलोसफिकल थिंग जो यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर की गई है। अब नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ की तरफ हम मूव करते हैं। American realm provides a fragmentary and illusory dream. He hopes that his funeral will be attended by hundreds of people, but after his death, only Linda, Biff, Happy, and Charlie and Bernard attend his funeral. The novel is ambiguous in the matter of insurance company. Whether the insurance company paid or not is ambiguous. Thus, Willie is deceived by American dream. According to another critic, it explores the dark side of American dream, a dream that can turn into a nightmare when it is pursued at any cost. और इसके साथ ये हमारा नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है। Miller does not blame on whole society. He is in favor of individual decision, yet it is observed by the critics that it covers the subject of marketing over human values. The play is a shearing indictment of capitalist society that values profit over people. अब देखिए आप कि आपके जीवन में कई सारे लोग हैं, आप उस पर्सन की वैल्यू करते हैं या फिर उस पर्सन से मिलने वाले जो मटेरियलिज्म है, जो गुड्स है, आप उसकी वैल्यू करते हैं। इट इज़ अ बेस्ट कि हम पर्सन की वैल्यू करें, वैल्यू ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, नॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ द मार्केटिंग सोसाइटी। और ये चीज़ इस प्ले में बताई गई है। इन ए नटशेल ऑफ ड्रामा, डेथ ऑफ ए सेल्समैन इज़ ए ट्रेजेडी दैट डिपिक्ट्स डार्क साइड ऑफ अमेरिकन ड्रीम। At social level, it deals with ruined relationship between father and sons. It bitterly criticizes capitalist society that values profit over people. ये हमारा लास्ट एक quotation है and it is not of any author. ये आप लिख सकते हैं as a critical quotation. Miller's play is a powerful commentary on sacrifices that are required in order to achieve success in American society. एंड इसके साथ मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपको डेथ ऑफ ए सेल्समैन बाय आर्थर मिलर ये आपको ईजिली समझ आया होगा। एंड द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज़ सो सिंपल एंड सो ईजी, इट इज़ नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड ग्रास्प द मीनिंग व्हाट आई हैव रिटन देयर। सो आई होप आपको ये समझ आया होगा। एंड इसके साथ आपको द इल्यूजन ऑफ अमेरिकन ड्रीम ये कंसेप्ट भी आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा। And thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for connecting with me. Thank you so much. And if you find this video very helpful and if you want to connect with me for the future and for the further time, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.